Hello guys, before I was struggling to use this tablet, this Huawei, and then I finally figured it out that I can download Netflix to this one. Before I cannot download it Netflix, but I see video from YouTube that you need another device, Android device, and then you will use the Share It application, to transfer the application from this tablet. First thing to do is you just transfer the Netflix application to this tablet, because you cannot download it from Huawei app gallery. And then when you try it, for example, you are trying to download Netflix. You cannot find any application like Netflix here. Then first thing to do is take your old phone having Netflix, and then transfer the application to this device, and then it's easy. And if you finish, you just see the application transferred here in Share It application, and install it. That's it. And then finally I have Netflix. Thanks to YouTube, and thanks to the video who shared that. I also want to share this, so if people are struggling to download their application just like Netflix in their tablet Huawei, they can easily upload it or download it. Thank you.